Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to post in Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, double click menu option, then choose your Facebook page. Okay, tap on profile. Okay, then scroll down, tap on your post, click, then post. Hey everyone, and select emojis and customize public post, then public and done. Then next and public your post. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.